Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to RoboThought Zero to Hero series, Python machine learning on the edge. Guys, we are on lesson number 38, multiple point data plotting in Python MatPlotLib for machine learning data, right? That is what we are learning using Jetson Nano on the edge. Now guys, how do we create this multiple points in while doing the plotting? It's pretty simple, guys. You can plot as many points as you like. It can be n number, right? Only thing we need to make sure that we have the same number of points in both x-axis and the y-axis, right? It's very, or else it doesn't work. It just simply doesn't work, right? Let me show you how to do it hands-on using MatPlotLib. Let's open up our Visual Studio IDE, which we installed in our Jetson Nano, and I'm going to show you some examples how to create multiple points. Import matplotlib dot pyplot. Okay, let's call the pyplot submodule as plt. All right, then space and hit enter. All right, let me, okay, then import numpy as np. All right, then space and hit enter. Now let's create our x-axis and y-axis. How do we do that? x points equals to numpy array np dot array. We need to create an array in a curly bracket parenthesis and a square parenthesis for the array. So let's create a sample numbers, say 1, 2, 6 and 8. All right, and then let's create our y points equals np dot array np dot array, and then in a curly parenthesis and a square bracket, let's create say 3, 8, 1 and 10. I'm just giving some random numbers, guys. You can use any examples, any numerical values as you wish. All right, now how do we try to plot these two axes? It's called plt dot plot. Okay, plt dot plot x points comma y points. Okay, that is the way you are going to plot. Now let us show. How do we show? We have to use the function, a method called show. So plt dot show, and we need to use this open and close parenthesis for the function or a method whenever you are calling in. Now let's run this program and see what happens. Right click, where is my right click? Run Python file in terminal. Let me just make it a little bigger, guys. I'm really struggling with multiple screens being recorded on a single monitor, so you guys have to excuse me for all the trouble and being patient to watch me what I do. Right click, right click, run Python file in terminal, and where is my graph? There it is. It's hiding behind, so let me just drag it to the front, and you can see how beautifully our friend MatPlotLib and the pyplot has plotted with multiple points. There you go. So can you see this, guys? I hope you can see it. Let me try to make it much more bigger. Yeah, I can make it bigger. All right, so this is the way we can actually visualize, right? And we can also create multiple points, unlimited amount of points. So this is the way it works. So I hope you guys are clear and you know how to do it much better than me. And I'm gonna get back to you soon in the next video with a couple of more examples and interesting examples. All right, guys, until then, see you soon. Do give me a like. Bye bye.